Okay, I think we've got this all set up and ready to go. We're not going to waste any time with hardware edits and things like that. I'm going to also use my phone camera to capture the multimeter view and the unit view, just so we can see the setup. But that's in the other room, so it might be a little bit noisy. Hopefully not too bad. Yeah. Additionally, I'm going to come over here. I want to verify that, yes, Helix, grounded Helix is scaled to 20 milliamps. I've reset the calibration for this guy. Additionally, we're going to be calibrating bias voltage, which is set to -1 and 0. Based on some math internal to the unit, the gain has to be negative. And pulse top is 1 and 0. So we have verified that the three calibration factors that we're setting today are correct. Let's start with bias and pulse top. Those are going to be fairly straightforward, and in fact, I did verify yesterday that they can all be done from right here in the calibration window. There is no specific turn-on sequence using our standard set of buttons. I mean, we could, but it's a little bit safer, a little bit more straightforward. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to go over to the unit and we're going to set up our voltage measurement on the multimeter, and we're also going to ground the cathode. The reason we ground the cathode is, one, for safety, and two, it also stabilizes the measurements of the bias and pulse top voltages so that there's not a lot of drift and we can calculate our gain and offset accordingly. So I'll be right back. Emergency off switch. And on this breakout box I have cathode right there and I have ground right there. Now cathode is grounded. Re-enable, and I'm going to start it back up from the office.